Okay, Assalamualaikum and good day. Again, we continue our tutorial. Okay, this one is the last tutorial um, for login, but this login basically very basic. We just insert the username and password. Okay, to start the login. Okay, first basically here, if you notice here we create root. This one basically refer to the our home page here. First actually here our home, this one, and then we have function home. So if here we have if not session dot get login, so that means first basically if we not login, automatically we'll go this file login new. In this login new, basically we will insert, okay, insert here, insert basically here we refer to our metric number. Okay, our metric number here. Okay, and then the second one, basically our password. But basically password here will refer to our email here. Okay, and then when we submit this one, username and password automatically go this what we call root here, login, and that's why here we have login here. Okay, root login and then method post, and then we have function here to login, and then here we have check login. Basically this one will refer our model here, but the request is from login new file. We have a request from no metric because we already insert our metric and then our password, and then we check here in our model. Okay, here check login because we send the no metric and then password, and then our query has select no metric and email because no metric is refer to our user ID and password refer to our email. Email from pelajar where no metric equal to what, the value, and then the email the value. If if that exists, this means automatically we'll go to the home. Okay, home, this one home, and then if false, automatically go this message. Okay, and then automatically show again this file. Okay, and then this the message invalid metric or password. I will show you how how can we insert the what we call no username metric number. Here we have here, for example, here this one is okay. Here, sorry, basically was okay. Here your normal metric, for example, this one, and then I think okay, this one give you username and email login, and then your UI automatically will go here. Okay, your home, and then basically if wrong, okay, for example here wrong password, automatically give you this message valid no metric or password. Okay, you cannot log in. And then the other one I want to discuss is logout. Logout is very simple. Here we have logout here just because after we log in you need to log out the system. So here just easy, very easy actually. Just create the root logout function log, and then session here, session login equal to false, and then return home. That's all. Return home here. We go for home here, meaning this one, this part. Okay. I will show you here when we already insert the username and password. Okay, you log in, and then automatically we have here, actually I will discuss later a little bit about this one, menu. Okay, log out, just log out. Okay, I just want to just want to discuss about this file. Okay, base file. Base file basically is our main menu. You can okay, this base file, just main menu, basically just main menu here. You can edit this file based on your URL here. You have list students here, and then list grade, list get student new, find student, and etc. And at the bottom here we have logout. So up to you, depend on your URL. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much.